Today I'm showing you how to enable battery percentage in your status bar on any Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Find the setting. Here comes the tricky part. The Show Battery Percentage Settings location depends on your device brand. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find Notifications or Notifications and Status Bar. For some, it might be on the display settings. In my device, I have it on the battery settings. Step 3. Access the setting. Tap on Battery or look for Status Bar or browse through each one to check where the setting is at. This is where you control what appears in your status bar at the top of your screen. Step 4. Locate battery options. Look for battery-related options. Depending on your device, you might see Battery Indicator, Battery Percentage, Show Battery Percentage, or Battery Icon Style. Tap on the battery option. Step 5. Verify changes. Look at your status bar at the top of your screen. You should now see the battery percentage displayed according to your selection. And that's it. You've successfully enabled battery percentage on your Android device's status bar.